Okay, friends, you need to get your funny feathers page out. It has 2 turkeys at the bottom and a bunch of feathers at the top. Pause the video if you need to go find it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to solve these problems up here. So, you may have not seen the problems set up like this. We normally see them sideways going 6 plus 1 rather than up and down 6 plus 1 like it is right here, 1 plus 6 right here. So all it is just straight up and down. You just add 1 and 6 together like that. So it would be 6 plus 1. So I could just add 1 to it. Okay, so it would be 6, 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I'm going to write 7 on that one. If you need to use blocks to solve, you can. But go ahead and solve all of your feather problems. Go ahead and do that. And then okay, you should have all your addition problems done. They should all equal either 7 or 8. And you know what? I noticed that one of them equals 6. So there's not a turkey on here that equals 6. So we're not going to use that feather. But now you can go through and color all of your feathers. Go ahead and color your feathers. And they can be a bunch of different colors. Okay, now that I've colored in all of my feathers, a bunch of different colors, I'm going to cut across here. Goodness. Just cut across that line, so now I have 2 separate pages. And I forgot to color my turkey, so I'm going to go back and color those brown. Now I have my 2 brown turkeys and my feathers. So now I'm going to cut all of these feathers out. Now I have all of my feathers cut out, a bunch of colorful feathers. Now I'm going to go ahead and sort them based on the sum. The sum is what the answer was to the addition problem. This one was 8. And this one was 7. So I should have a stack of 8 feathers and a stack of 7 feathers. So I'm going to make 2 piles because I have a turkey that's labeled 8 and a turkey that's labeled 7. And I'm going to put all the turkey feathers that have the sum of 7 on the 7 turkey and all the feathers that say 8 on the 8 turkey. So let me get my glue and show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take my 8 sums first, and I'm just going to glue these feathers like this. I may need to add a little more glue. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so I have that one. Okay, that side's done, and then I'm going to put the other ones that say 8 over here. And then my 8 turkey is finished. And now I need to do my 7. So I'll put the glue on there. And then make sure it's only the ones that have the sum of 7. And remember, there was one feather that said 6. So you may have an extra feather that says 6, but we're not going to use it. And then your turkeys are all finished. And you can hang it up. And if you want to make it nice and even, you can add you can color in a feather there. But I think they look really cute. So those are your funny feather turkeys. Go ahead and do that, and you can turn this in your folder. If you want to cut it here and make 2, you can, but you don't have to.